Here's an official unboxing of the Dos Amantes series, Blades by Crank, that will be launching for Valentine's Day. We have the Classic Beauty and the Modern Elegance. This Classic Beauty right here, you can see the obviously the Laddystone rosewood handle, nice clip at the end, and a flipper style knife, 110 layer high carbon steel Damascus, beautiful knife for Valentine's Day. And then here we have the modern Elegance. This is what it's called. Again, Laddystone right there on the rivet, ball bearing for both of these knives, and titanium bolster for this knife, and a sleek, super sleek carbon fiber handle. Flipper style knife, very smooth with a ball bearing, 110 layer Damascus high carbon steel. Ready to go for your everyday carry needs.